This video is sponsored by Diecast Airplane Store. Hello YouTube, welcome back to another review video. Today I would like to review MOHAWK Airlines Convair CV-240-13 by AEROCLASSICS. The mold is outstanding. I can't seem to find anything odd about it. This livery is a hybrid livery, as the plane was previously owned by Northeast Airlines. The colors appear to be nicely replicated. The print is nice and crisp. Everything is flawless. This crater mount is nicely done despite the small seam all around. The wings are beautifully done as well with nice detail. The engines are superbly done and both props spin nicely. The landing gear appears to be metal and the wheels are rubber, and both are accurately done. The wheels are lump free and all spin nicely. Overall, I highly recommend you guys this model. If you're a collector that loves to collect old airplane models, then you're going to love this one. Well, that concludes the review for MOHAWK Airlines Convair CV-240-13 by AEROCLASSICS. If you have this model, let me know what you think about it in the comment section. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest reviews. This is Alpha and hope to have you guys back again soon.